Welcome to our final Heatwave Arena pack battle. Em and I are very excited to come to the end of this series. We have had a great time doing it, but we're ready to move on to something else now, so give us a little follow to see what that might be in the future. However, for the final time, Em has pulled a teal mask Ogerpon, followed by the cutest card, Buizel, and the second cutest card, Ponyta. Electrike is up next, and Cynthia's Spiritomb is last. I think we have that card, not too sure, but I will check later. That is a lackluster pack to end on, but that's okay because we've already had some great pulls from this series. I am up next, let's see what I can get. My first card is the Sacred Ash, which we definitely already have, and the Dwebble is up next, followed by Ethan's Cyndaquil, and Cynthia's Gabite, and our final card is the Rapidash. So all of these cards I believe we already have, but that's okay because for the Master Set I think we only need about 3 more other than the Full Art cards. Thank you everybody for joining me on this series. Leave a comment, leave a follow, and I will see you soon.